Hey guys, what's up? This is Misking and welcome back to episode 2 of the Mindful Music Producer series. Today I want to give you my 2 cents about inspiration and how it works. When I started producing music, I only produced when I felt incredibly inspired, whether this was by a song, by a piece of art, by talking to friends, by nature, whatsoever. So I had my studio set up, I had my speakers, I had my laptop, my keyboard, and I only started producing music when I felt this energy. But you know what? When I sat down and wanted to compose these ideas I had in my head, I was just not able to do them properly. So this was obviously not working for me, so I changed my workflow. And instead of waiting for that special energy to kick in, I just started to produce music every single day. And what happened is that whether I was inspired or not, created the ability to produce music. My learning curve was pointing upwards, and when this inspiration kicked in, I was just able to perform. I was producing all those tracks with mediocre inspiration, and most of the time the inspiration came while producing. So instead of waiting for the muse, I kinda haunted it. So what I want you to think about is how inspiration works for you, and if you are ready when this big and cool and catchy idea comes into your mind, and if you're able to perform it in your DAW. Please just let me know what you think about this. I would love to discuss this with you in the comments. And if you like this video, please hit like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.